Hello friends, this is Shravan. This is my YouTube channel Civil Engineering by Shravan. To subscribe my channel, click on subscribe button and click on bell icon for more interesting updates. In this video, I will explain you designing of G plus 21 stories high-rise building by using StatPro V8 software. So initially, I will show you the model for that respected house. So select the StatPro software. So this is my high-rise building which is consisting of G plus 20 story, which is approximately equal to height of the building is 63 meter height. So I will design this respected structure and I will analyze this respected structure by using StatPro V8 software. So for that, initially go to click on StatPro software, click on StatPro software. The software will be opened like this. Initially click on new project, select spacing option here, give the structure name, just I am assuming it as G plus 20. So save the file location, just I am saving my file location to the desktop. Click on OK. So here we have to select the length units will be in meter as well as force units will be in kilonewton. Click on next button, click on finish button. So after that the software will be open like this. So initially I will model the ground story for this respected G plus 20 story building. So for that go to click on geometry, click on run structure wizard option. So here we have to select the frame models. So here I am selecting the frame models here. So in that frame model just I am selecting bay frame. So in this we need to assume the length of the building, height of the building, width of the building, number of bays along length direction, height direction, width direction. Just I am taking length of the building is 18 meter. Again I am taking height of the building is 3 meter. In the same way just I am taking width of the building is 18 meter. So after that we have to enter the number of bays along length direction. Just I am taking it as 6. Again I am taking number of bays along height direction or 1. Again I am taking number of bays along width direction or 6. Click on apply. Now we can see this is my model for this respected ground story. So we have to import this respected model from structure wizard option to StatPro software. So for that click on cancel button, click on S button, click on OK. Now the model is imported to this respected StatPro software. So after creating the ground story, we have to create the respected lift portion as well as staircases portion in each and every direction, which is related to plus x direction and minus x direction and z direction and minus z direction. So for that, initially we have to select the beam cursor. So here I am selecting this respected beam. So click on copy option, click on paste beams. So we have to copy this respected column to the right hand side section, which is nothing but your x direction. So we have to import the plus value for this respected x direction. Just I am assuming it as 4 meter. So in the same way, just we have to select the center columns, click on copy option, click on paste beams, which is in z direction. Just I am taking it as 4 meter. So in the same way, just I am taking a minus z direction column, click on copy, click on paste beams in minus 4 direction. Again I am taking center column, click on copy, click on paste beams which is in minus 4 x direction. So after that we have to connect the respected columns with the beam sections. So for that click on add beam command here, select the first beam, select the second beam. Again in the same way we have to connect this respected beams. So in the similar way we have to connect the remaining section of the building also. So here I am connecting first one, second one. So again I am selecting first one, second one, first one, second one, select first one, second one. Again I am selecting first one, second one. So after that we have to create the slab section for this respected ground story. So for that select plate cursor. Just I am selecting add 4 node plate. Select first node point, select second node point, select third node point, select fourth node point. So after that we have to select the plate cursor. So in the same way we have to select all the plates. So we have to copy this respected plates in x direction as well as z direction. So go to your transitional repeat, which is in x direction. Just I am taking number of steps will be consisting of 5 here in x direction, and each step will be consisting of 3 meter here. Click on OK. So now we can see it was created your respected plates in x direction like this. So after that in the same way we have to create the number of plates in z direction also. So go to transitional repeat in z direction, number of steps are 5, each step will be consisting of 3 meter. Click on OK. So now we can see it was created with all the number of plates at the ground story for this respected structure. So after that we have to create the remaining 20 story building. So for that initially we have to select Control A option. So it will select all your respected beams as well as column sections. Go to transitional repeat. So we have to copy this respected properties in vertical direction, nothing but your y direction condition. So here we have to enter the number of steps, which is approximately equal to 20. So each step will be consisting of 3 meter. So click on OK. So it will copy your respected ground stories sections to the remaining 20 stories. So after that we have to select the plates. In the same way we have to select all the building. Again click on transitional repeat in Y direction. Number of steps are 20 and each step will be consisting of 3 meter. Click on OK. So it will copy your respected place to the remaining sections here like this. Now you can see. So this is the plates which are assigned for this respected structure. So after that we have to see this respected model in rendering view. So click on modeling. So click on rendering view option. So this is my 3D rendering view for this respected G plus 21 stories high rise building. So it will be consisting of your respected length of the building is 18 meter and width of the building is 18 meter. So after modeling process completed, we have to add the properties for this respected building. So properties are nothing but giving the column size as well as beam size and the slab thickness for this respected structure. So for that initially we have to define the beam sizes, column sizes and slab thickness for this 20-story building. So initially I am going to general option. So click on define option. So initially I will assume column size will be consisting of 0.5 cross 0.5 for bottom 6 stories. So after that just I am taking 0.4 cross 0.4 is the column size for this respected remaining 6th story to 11th story. So after that just I am taking 0.3 cross 0.3 is the column size for the 12th story to 16th story. Click on add button. Again I am taking 0.23 cross 0.23 is the column size for the remaining 5 stories. Okay, so initially after defining these respected properties we have to define the beam size also. So initially I am taking 0.5 cross 0.23 is the beam sizes at the ground story to 6th story. So 0.4 cross 0.23 is the beam sizes at the respected remaining 6th story to 11th story. Again I am taking 0.3 cross 0.23 is the beam size for the respected 12th story to 16th story. So last story will be consisting of 0.23 cross 0.23. So after that we have to define the slab thickness also. So click on thickness option. So initially I will assume 150 mm is the thickness for the ground to 6th story. So again I am taking 125 is the thickness for the remaining 6th story to 11th story. So again I am taking 115 is the thickness which is consisting of your respected 12th story to 16th story. Again I am taking 100 mm is the thickness for the remaining sections. Click on add button, close option. So after that we have to assign this respected beam sizes, column sizes for this section. So for that initially we have to click on front view option. So go to your respected cut section command, click on selective view option, click on OK. So here we have to cut the bottom 6 stories for this respected structure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So after that we have to click on 3D view. So we have to apply the column size for this respected ground story 6 stories. So select 0.5 by 0.5. Go to select option, beams parallel to y axis. So it will select all your members which is in vertical section. Click on OK. So after that we have to select the slab thickness. Select your slab thickness. Select this respected plate cursor. Drag to the respected structure. Click on assign to selected place. Assign yes option. Again I am selecting beam size which is consisting of your 0.5 cross 0.23. So here I am selecting dynamic zoom option. So just I am zooming this respected building here like this. So here I am selecting beams which are parallel to this respected direction which is in horizontal condition for top G plus 5 story building. So it was selected your respected beams here like this. So select the beams, click on assign to selected beams, assign yes option. So after that we have to select the whole structure command here. So click on front view option. So in the same way we have to select the cut section command, selective view option, click on OK. So here we have to cut this respected remaining 5 stories. So here I am selecting first story, second story, third story, fourth story, fifth story. Okay. So click on 3D view. So here I am zooming this respected options here. So here we have to select the 0.4 by 0.4. We have to select the beams which are parallel to y-axis. Click on assign to selected beams, assign yes option. So in the same way we have to keep the front view. Again we have to select the 0.4 cross 0.23. I have to select the beams in the same way. Just I am selecting the beams here. Click on assign to selected beams, assign yes option. So after that we have to select the second plate thickness. So here I am selecting plate thickness. This is the plate thickness. So we have to drag to the respected model here like this. Click on assign to selected plates, assign yes option. So after that we have to click on whole structure command. In the same way, we have to keep the structure in front of you. Select the beam cursor. So here we have to cut the remaining 5 stories. Select to view option, click on OK. So here I am selecting first story here, second story here, third story, fourth story, fifth story, like this. So after that we have to zoom this respected building. So now we have to select the 0.3 cross 0.3 column size. We have to select the beams parallel to y-axis. Click on assign to selected beams, assign yes. Again in the same way we have to select 0.3 cross 0.23 beam sizes. So here we have to select the beams which are in horizontal direction. So click on assign to selected beams, assign yes. Again we have to select the third plate thickness. So click on plate thickness, click on select your plates here. So initially we have to save the model. Click on plates here, select all the plates, click on assign to selected plates, assign yes. Again we have to select the whole structure command. Again in the same way we have to select the front view. So click on escape option. Again go to cut section command, select to view, click on OK. So here I am selecting this respected beams and column sections. So click on 3D view. So click on dynamic zoom option, zoom this respected portion. So here I am selecting 0.23 cross 0.23. So this is the size for the beam sections and column sections. Select all these members, click on assign to selected beams, assign yes option. So after that we have to select the plate thickness for the last section. Select the plate cursor. So drag to the respected model, click on assign to selected plates, assign yes option. So after that we have to click on modeling option. So click on whole structure command. So after applying the properties, we have to see this respected model in rendering view. So further click on rendering view option. So this is the rendering view for this respected building. It will be consisting of 0.5 cross 0.5 column size and 0.4 cross 0.4 column size, 0.3 cross 0.3 column size and 0.23 cross 0.23 column size, and beam size will be consisting of 0.5 cross 0.23, 0.4 cross 0.23, 0.3 cross 0.23 and 0.23 cross 0.23. So it will be consisting of 150 mm size slab, and it will be consisting of 125 mm slab, 120 mm slab and 100 mm slab. Okay. So after modeling process completed, we have to apply the supports at the base for this respective structure. So for that, click on general, select the supports, click on create option. So here we have to add the fixed supports, click on add button, select your supports, select the front view. We have to assign the supports for the respective structure. So click on selected nodes, assign yes option. So after that, click on 3D view. So this is the process of modeling of high-rise building by using STAAD.Pro V8i software. So in my upcoming video, next video, I will explain you analysis part as well as designing part for this respected building by using STAAD.Pro V8i software. Thank you.